here is a video of my Roth Dexter ceiling fan. Now, I have not talked about this fan in a long time, like a while. Like I showed it in my ceiling fans in my house video from a month ago, but I haven't talked about it since my first months of YouTube. Like, I haven't made a video of it. It's like my first month of having YouTube. But here I am making a video of it. So I got this fan in 2015. Now, this is a pretty interesting story. I got it as a Lowe's display item. It was on the display at Lowe's, and I asked if I could have it. Well, it was taken down from the display, and then I pointed it out, and then I asked if I could have it, and they sure said yes, so now I have it. And this fan was already discontinued by that time, so I believe it was from 2011 to 2013 or 14, because I remember having a catalog that had this fan in it. So now this fan does have a few problems. Since it was on the display, it was obviously lit up and stuff. And only one light bulb works on it. So and it's missing the sixth light bulb. There's supposed to be six. And this one had the glass come off of it. So this fan isn't in super good shape. This is the light switch that works, the only bulb that works. And I even looked at some of the bulbs, and it looks like the little thing that lights it up, the little metal thing in the bulb, is either missing or it's out of shape. But this one works. So yeah, I had to tape that right there. So I put it on the spare remote that I have, which is this one right here. This remote actually came with a different fan that I got. I don't have the original remote to this one though. It even came on this really long down rod. So let's give it a demo, starting with the light. Now, these lights are super bright. Well, they were super bright. This one's really bright. I've tested this at night and it's bright. So, since I haven't talked about this fan in a while, I got curious about it, that I had it laying around, and just thought, oh, why not test it? So, let's turn the light off and start it on low speed. Oh, and here's the string that it came on. This is the string that had the price tag on it when it was on the display. I don't remember how much it was though. It was around $299 or $300. Sorry, that's my dog. And this is medium speed. Now high speed. Oh yeah, and I want to show you that right here. It says Liberty. It's manufactured by Animation, so it's labeled. So right here it's labeled Animation. Oh, and here's the tag on it. So it's a 12-inch ceiling fan, but because the fan in the cage is 12 inches, but including this disc, it's 28 inches. And on the factory, it's located. It's labeled a 28-inch fan. I'm going to turn the light on, show you what it looks like. Now for spin down. Now it kind of shakes when it's spinning down. Just turn the light on because why not? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.